I'm Wendy.
I'm Steve. And this is Pippin.
And together we're the Happy Travellers.
We're halfway through January daily videos. So I think this video that you're watching right now will be video number 16. So we really are halfway through.
That's right, we are, yeah.
The last couple of videos have been about L'Aldea, the air, the town, and my medical emergency. You can see I'm feeling quite a lot better now. I'm taking these. They look huge, don't they, those tablets? But actually it's an ordinary size capsule in there. So anyway, but welcome to this video. We are halfway through, but what I'd like to know is pop in the comments, what are you thinking about the daily videos? Do you like them? You know, are you looking forward to the next 15 videos every day? Some people have already said, oh, it's part of our daily routine now. We you know, we watch, we watch those videos. So, well, that's really nice to hear. We are currently in a place that we've been before once. In February, middle of February 2019.
Yes. 6 years ago. Just behind there was orange trees, a lovely orchard.
What I'll do is I'll put up a comparison.
Yes.
Took a picture of the trees in 2019, and I'll take a picture today of what we're looking out on.
It's not pretty.
It's sort of scrub wasteland, but you'll see.
Yeah. But we've come back again because there's a beautiful monastery.
Yeah. So,
and it is lovely. And if you forget about the orange trees have gone, the views of the mountains are very nice. And it's a real quaint old town. So sometimes it's nice to go new places and nice to come back. But we were a little disappointed when we drove in, I have to say.
Well, I think we're heading to Torrevieja.
Yes.
To get the rabies shot for Pippin, get that done.
Yeah.
Go back to our usual vet, and then, but we were heading out of L'Aldea, and we thought, well, where do we go? Where's the next place? And we stopped at an air. Can't remember what the place was called, but the services, the air was empty. Big truck park next to it, but the services were completely blocked. It was disgusting.
I meant to leave
really bad
comment on search for sites.
But there you are. So we travelled on, and we thought, oh well, we're quite close to Benicassim. So that's where we went yesterday. We were at Benicassim. We didn't go to Bonterra Resort, as it's now called. Used to be called Bonterra Park. Apparently they do have spaces, but the start from the advertised price is €49 a night. So, we weren't going to stay there. But there is a 1 night or 1 day overnight park there. There's also an air with services, so we were able to use the services at the air, but that was full up.
And it's a busy road. I mean, it's not a peaceful stop.
Rough ground, ground labour, broadly. So use the services there, and we had a nice look around.
Yes.
In Benicassim yesterday, so we made it to
a
couple of the old bars, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. The old familiar places.
It was really nice.
Yes, it was. Yeah.
And we managed to walk along the seafront.
But someone said it's always full up on Terra Park. It's booked months ahead. It's so popular.
I think they do have.
It's a lovely campsite.
They do have a full order book, but I think they do get the occasional space.
Yeah, we don't know. We didn't. We haven't tried it. Yes,
you could check it.
But if you do, and it is.
And you can get discounts down to about €35, I think. And if you've got an Axie card in the right season,
yes,
I think they do a flat rate of 27. So, but that's not available in January.
No.
Haha. But there you go. So we were one night over in Benicassim yesterday, and we travelled down to this place.
Yes.
It's called Cimat della Valdegna.
Yes.
Cimat della Valdegna.
It's not that far from Valencia.
Yes, in the Valencia region.
Inland.
Obviously, the name and the correct spelling, even if it's not the correct pronunciation, will be on screen.
And you drive to get to it. We drove through all the paddy fields because it's a big region for growing all the rice for the paella. Yes, I never knew until last year that they actually grew rice in France when we stayed there or just learnt about it. I did not know that. I never thought they would have done, but they do, and it goes on for miles.
So we know Spain's good for olives.
Yes.
Oranges, lemons,
almonds, and almonds and rice.
Oh, and almonds.
Yes, a lot of almonds.
You could live here.
Yeah.
And just live on those, couldn't you? Could you? I don't know.
Anyway, so that's it.
Fried rice.
So today, anyway, it's lovely and sunny, and
it's beautiful, sunny.
Very, very sunny. And we've talked to people on the air.
The weather's warm enough.
Yes, warm enough to talk to people. There's an English man next to us, and a German lady and man opposite, and some other people. So that's nice. Yeah.
So some of you might wonder why we do what we do. Well, we're full time in the van, so we don't have bricks and sticks house. We live full time in this motorhome, and we come over in the winter to escape the UK and the freezing cold weather. We've met a few people over that do the same thing. They come over, they spend their 90 days over here to escape the cold weather, and they say, "Oh, we left it. There was ice and snow and so on." It's really nice. I mean, you'll see it's the middle of January.
Yeah.
And we're dressed in short sleeve summer clothes. Although the local people are not. They're dressed up in thick coats and hats. But I guess I know that you do get used to the temperature. If you were here long term, like if you lived here permanently, I think you get used to the temperature and it would feel quite cold. Even on sunny days like today. I don't want to ramble on too long. Wendy's got her journal book.
Yes.
We're just going to sort of have a 2-minute reprise of where we've been so far and the interesting places in Spain.
Well, we started the year Estarte, yeah.
And Wendy keeps little souvenirs.
Yeah, there we are. And that's where we bought the we were there for Three Kings, and that's where we bought the cake.
We bought the cake and we got the little saying there.
Yes.
Wendy sort of kept those in the book.
We've got 3 kings now from the cakes because it's 3 times we've got the king.
Well, that's appropriate, isn't it?
And then we stayed to the farm, on a farm.
We went to that rather lovely smelling Mass Bess farm.
Yes.
Really nice place though. And it wasn't,
stop there.
The smell wasn't anywhere near as bad as people said.
Yeah.
You could smell it, but it's a working farm. What do you expect? Perfect. It was
beautiful surroundings, very peaceful and very safe.
Nothing else there, but the farm, the shop, and the museum.
And look, and it was €10, and you got 16 amp electricity
and services
and plenty of room. You can sit out. There was plenty of room if you wanted to all around your van, and there was picnic benches. And that was all we bought in the shop. Those Spanish biscuits. We didn't buy anything else. No.
I nearly bought a bottle of wine, but I thought better of it.
Yeah.
It was 15% wine, but it was €15, and it sort of went against the grain to spend €15 on a bottle of Spanish wine. I don't know why. Maybe I should have bought it. It probably would have been gorgeous. There you go. I've missed the chance now. And
then we went to the seaside, didn't we? We went to Cambrils, which is near Salou.
Cambrils, after we... I don't know why. Well, I tell you why we didn't stay at Cambrils, because I made a schoolboy error and I forgot to empty the toilet at Mass Bess before we left. Because, you know, if you empty your toilet before you leave, then there's no pressure on getting to a place with services.
I don't know how we can forget after all these years. I tell you, it's...
Well, it's not a pleasant thing.
No.
And, you know, maybe you just, you know, put it out of your mind. Anyway, that's why we went to Cambrils. We only stayed, well, that's why we only stayed one night. We would stay longer at Cambrils. It's a beautiful place.
But there's no services there.
No services.
Car
So,
parking, yeah.
you know, if you're able to go to Cambrils, we find our toilet cassette lasts us for 2 to 3 days. Without a problem, because we go out and we use public toilets and so on. So it's only the overnight thing, isn't it? Really, overnight and morning. So,
and there's a bar near there. You can pop in, use the bar, and go to the toilet just across the road. Really,
yeah.
We're down on the seafront. There's quite a few.
Recommend Cambrils.
You love this speech.
But after Cambrils, we went to L'Aldea, and we chose L'Aldea because it had services.
Yes, yeah. That's right.
So we drove there, drove immediately into the service point. Brilliant, first class, top notch service point. In the ground, grey waste, toilet emptying, fresh water fill up. Absolutely perfect, and a lovely place to park up as well, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And then, of course, after that, we went. We stayed one night at one little place called Gasolinera Castel Zivert. I think it used to be a campsite, but it's right. It's at the back of a petrol station. Sounds a bit awful, doesn't it? It wasn't.
It's a beautiful old air, so peaceful. And there was a restaurant there, bar, and a shop that sold everything you needed, and it was free. Yeah, free. And toilet emptying as well.
Yes. You had to pay for water fill up.
Yes.
But after that, we went to Benicassim, had a guy stay out at Benicassim.
Only for one day, really, a few hours.
We didn't record any of that because we went out.
Well, you weren't feeling great because
I wasn't. I was still, I'm still suffering a bit from the abscess on my ear thing. But now we're in Simat della Valdegna, and we're halfway through the month.
Yes.
I think in the next video you'll see. Well, I'll show you around this village.
Yes.
In the next video, and we'll show you the air, show you the bit of the monastery, maybe recount some of the things we did 6 years ago, how the monastery's changed, because it was just started renovating. After that, we'll be at the vets at Torrevieja.
Yeah, we'll probably have one stop on the way because in case we have to stop somewhere where there's no services, we know of a place we will stop on the way down, so for services. So that's what we should do. Yes. So we'll be good.
That's generally what we're doing. We're heading down to, and we're gonna make our way after Torrevieja. Probably pop out to Tarifa. People say that's quite good. We're not quite sure about that yet. People say it's a nice place to have a stop, and then on to Motril at Playa Poniente.
I think Tarifa's after Motril.
Oh, it is actually.
Yes, it is. So that's one of the stops before we. Yeah. So yeah.
There you go. Lucky I've got somebody who knows how to navigate a map.
We will stop there because you're looking forward to going there, so we will, but probably before the end of the month. Yes.
Yeah, there you go. So we won't go to Tarifa next.
No.
We'll probably make our way to Playa Poniente, where we've stayed a few times. It's where we used to go and visit my brother, sister-in-law. That's it and all about it, really, isn't it? So I hope you're enjoying the little daily series through January. I'm in two minds whether to continue into February. I don't know. People seem to like it. Do you like the little short videos? Would you like a couple of short videos and a longer one? so that, or would, are you okay with every few days or once a week, as we used to do? It's quite a lot of pressure doing a daily video, isn't it?
Yes, it is. We did it for years, didn't we? One time, for quite a long.
We used to do. We started the channel with the daily video. Yeah. But I don't think it lasted that long. Actually,
I don't know. Can't remember. We have done it up on and off, but
it's not. It's a bit of pressure, but we like to get ahead, so we don't. Don't get me wrong. We don't make a video and publish it that day. So when you're seeing this, we might well be in
Torrevieja. Well, no, I don't be that far ahead. We don't know.
I don't know how far ahead we are. Actually, I get confused. I'm so confused. This is how confused I am. 2 days ago, I uploaded the same video twice.
Yeah. Well, you went well.
It was like, oh.
Well, you know? We know that we've got to get down. We've got a week left of her medications, and she needs her rabies. So we really do need to get to Torrevieja and see the vet, to get the vet's appointment by then.
There.
So we've really got that deadline. But after that, we can relax
But
because you see, if we can't afford for her rabies vaccine really to run out, because I don't know what happens if it runs out, if the passport's not valid anymore. But anyway, that won't happen because we will get there and get it. The booster, Anyway. So that's it,
So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you are enjoying these daily videos, or if you're generally enjoying what we do and like to watch what we do and listen to our ramblings, why not give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel? Subscribing is free. It just allows YouTube to send you a reminder for when we upload a new video. Currently every day. So we're going to see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching and for staying with us.
Yes.
We'll see you again tomorrow.
Yes.
Bye-bye for now.
Bye.